In this video, we're gonna check if it is possible to install GCam on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In order to check that, we're gonna go to the Play Store. Over here, we're gonna go to Search at the bottom, and then use the search field at the top. In here, we should be able to search for GCamator, which is an app that allows us to check if we can get GCam on our phone. So we're gonna install it, and I'm gonna show you how to check if we can use GCam. This is pretty straightforward. We don't have to agree to notifications. Over here we can see that GCam is not available for this phone yet, but let's see if it's possible, and it seems that yes, it is possible. So of course in the future, if you open this page, you might see GCam dedicated for the phone. Right now it is unfortunately not available. So what we can do is we can tap on the request GCam. So maybe when you're watching this video, when you check that out by yourself, there might be the dedicated GCam version just for your phone. Now in the meantime, what you can do is you can get the GCam for another phone. I mean the version of GCam that was made for another similar phone, and we can install it on our Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now in order to find that out, we can go to GCam over here, and then we can use the search option. And if you type Samsung, then you might be able to find some examples. However, it seems that they are actually not available, and I don't think it is really recommended to go through different brands and different manufacturers, because usually they are not so compatible. So it seems that it might be problematic to actually get the dedicated GCam version for S26 Ultra. There's also the alternative that we can get the GCam Go over here. So if you want to give it a try, then of course you can easily. Let's see if we can actually do so. There we go, there it is. So of course you can download it and try to use it, but I don't think that is really it's going to work well. But still, let's give it a try, because why not? We're gonna start downloading. We're gonna go into this website over here where we need to download the APK file. We're gonna confirm that we want to download it. And of course, if you try to install the app, your phone will tell you that you are trying to install an app from an unknown source. So you will need to allow your browser to install apps from unknown sources. So let's see how it looks like. All right, so we're gonna try to install the app. There we go. And the app has been actually installed without issues whatsoever. We need to grant some permissions, of course, to be able to use the app. And of course, we can give it a try. Unfortunately, the app doesn't really look like the one that we can see on the GCam. It's not exactly the same menu, and it seems that it doesn't even work, unfortunately. So maybe we can just wait for the dedicated version in order to make it work. I'm gonna give it another try. Let's see if we can open it, but it seems that unfortunately the answer is no. Nevertheless, it is not exactly the same version that we have been looking for. So if we go back to the GCam, unfortunately we cannot really find anything in here. I'm gonna also type Galaxy just in case, but now it seems that we cannot really do so. Maybe SM over here. No. So unfortunately, it seems that right now it is not really possible to get the GCam for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, but what you can do is you can check out later in the future to see if there is a version created for this phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.